Hey guys, it's Dave with HD Trucks and Equip from fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And I know what you're thinking. This doesn't look like Tennessee. And you're right, I'm actually in Phoenix, Arizona right now, and I just got this truck today. And I wanted to show it to you right away. I'm kind of breaking my rule here because I don't like to do stuff like this until we've had a chance to make it all nice and pretty and wax it and all that kind of stuff. But this truck, this is the way I got it. And no, I did not get it from a dealer. I bought this truck from a private party contractor who's no longer contracting anymore. Nice, clean, straight. Doors on all tore all up from somebody ripping a decal off. It's got a crew cab. Look at there. This is a 2008 Gmc 5500 series with the mighty 6.6 Duramax in it. Automatic transmission, air conditioning. It is a baby doll. Big service body on here, and right off the get-go I want you to know something. I'm going to show this to you, but you need to understand you don't get that stuff. Okay, he just added a fuel barrel in back, electric pump on it. That's bolted to the truck, so that stays. But the tools that are in here, you're not getting. If it's not bolted, you don't get it. So, but I wanted you to see that I got this right out of his fleet. I mean, they were literally using this truck yesterday, and they just don't need it anymore. So he's done. He's not doing this anymore, and liquidating his equipment, and here it is. And this is your shot. These reels up here look like they're air powered. I haven't tried them yet, but I believe those are air powered recoils. And of course, it's an Arizona truck, so whether or not you notice it or not, there's no rust, there's no chips, there's no none of that kind of stuff. All the shelves are tight again. You don't get any of the toys. You're gonna get the truck. Super. It's got a vise mounted on back, that'll stay. It's got a nice little hitch right there, that'll stay. All tie downs, all that kind of stuff. It's got a built-in air compressor. That's what that little air filter is for up there. Again, you don't get any of the toys, so no, you don't get the saw. Solid truck. Solid. Everything about this thing is just tough. Nice. Single fuel tank, diesel. Again, everything is there. Everything is solid. I don't know if I want to spend a lot of time doing all these. Extra tall cabinets on the front. And it is a crew cab. Look at there. Look at how clean this thing is. It is absolutely phenomenal. And I will guarantee you, I literally drove this truck from there to here. Look at the condition. Look at the door panels. Look at the floor. Even under here. Look at the condition of the seat. A little bit of wear right there. Boy, that's probably about the worst thing I've seen on the whole truck. Got the little computer stand for it right there. That is an onboard scale. Make sure that you're not overweight. Not sure how that works. You guys probably know a lot better than I do. So we're going to fire this thing up. It's got manual brakes. So there's your brake, parking brake for it. There's your control for the strobe lights and the lights and all that kind of stuff. There's your power takeoff. Air conditioning, heater controls, factory sound system. And look at this. 109,000 miles. If you can't see that, that's what that says. And I want you to see it's running. And there's no check engine lights, no warning lights, no ABS, nothing. This thing is just sweet. I ran this thing 65 miles an hour through the freeway to get here from there, like I say, about an hour and a half, and it is just spectacular. It goes on the road just as nice as you can ask. Super clean, super nice, 2008 GMC 5500 series Duramax motor, automatic transmission, only 109,000 miles, and she is ready to go to work, boys. Crew cab, that's nice. If you can use a truck like this, you give me a call, 602-510-5444. This truck should be back in Henderson, somewhere around February, let's say 10th, probably earlier than that even. Look at the tires on that. I'm telling you, I had to do nothing to this truck. This truck is spectacular. Once again, Dave with HD Trucks and Equip out of Henderson, Tennessee. That is where you'll be picking it up. And as usual, I appreciate you looking.